Hi, welcome to Brainweaver's E-Trade Retail Management System. In today's session, we will discuss about how to manage FOC goods in Brainweaver's E-Trade Retail Management System. Sometimes, when you make purchase from different suppliers, based on the volume you purchase, supplier may give you some goods at free of cost. The goods may be the same item you are purchasing in a specific bill, or the supplier may be giving you free of goods of any of the item that you haven't purchased. In such case, how we will manage that free of cost goods in Brainweaver's E-Trade Retail Management System, that we will discuss in this session. So let us make a purchase entry first. To invoke the purchase entry from the work center, choose the purchase option. Otherwise, in the toolbar, you can choose or click the icon for purchase. So let us make a purchase entry first. Consider this is the supplier bill number. Today's date we are buying. I am buying it from Alapart Traders, and total bill amount is 6,000, and the item we are buying is Nestle milk powder 1 kg pack. So this item we haven't purchased at the moment, or we haven't created. So let us create this item by placing the cursor on this product number field. By pressing the right button, we can create new items from here. The item is milk powder Nestle 1 kg pack. So this is the item Nestle milk powder 1 kg pack. So numbers I am selecting 1 kg pack number, and the category I am selecting is grocery. The category child subcategory also I am selecting grocery. The GST percentage I am choosing is 18% total GST. The HSN code I am looking into the purchase invoice bill. You can see the HSN code there. So I am saving this item milk powder Nestle 1 kg pack. So let us select this item milk powder Nestle 1 kg pack. This is the item we have created just now. The quantity I am purchasing is 10 kg. MRP is 750 per 1 kg pack. The cost price is 600. So if you want to mention the batch number, load number, expiry information, by clicking this batch and load button, you can see here the batch and load button is here. System will ask us what is the batch number, manufacturing date and expiry date of this product. Consider NST. Suppose this is the batch number what is printed on the product. Manufacturing date is 1st December 2024 and the expiry date is 30th November 2025. So 1 year life period is there for this product. Batch number NST 878. This is what printed on the product. Manufacturing date 1st December 2024 and the expiry date what is printed on this product is 30th November 2025. If you want to change any of this information again by clicking this batch and load button again, you can modify it. So in this way, if you want, you can also mention or track batch and load wise information, expiry information also when you make any purchase entry. This method is very useful if you are dealing with food products because during a specific interval you can check how many products are going to expire in a specific date of range. So this tracking of expiry is very useful if you want to return the product to the supplier and claim or replace the expired product. So let us save this purchase entry. We have purchased 10 packet of 1 kg milk powder Nestle for a cost price of 600 per packet and the total is coming 6000. So let us save this purchase entry. Bill saved successfully. If you go to this purchase sale master detail, here we can see this is the item we have purchased void the latest purchase entry. This is the bill reference number. This is the supplier information. This is the bill total amount. Void this bill. The item we have purchased is milk powder Nestle 1 kg pack. If you go to the stock register, you can see here. This is the item we have purchased at the moment. Here we can see under the column purchase, quantity 10 is appeared, and in the closing stock also we can see 10 packet of 1 kg is in the closing stock and the stock value is 6000. Before you make a sales entry, the another process is to set or fix the selling price. Here the MRP is 750, the cost price is 600. I am selling this product at 700. After entering the selling price, by clicking this save, we can apply these changes. So what happened is when we made a purchase of 10 packet of this Nestle milk powder, supplier has given us 10 milk powder pouch of 5 rupees per pouch as FOC, means free of cost. To manage this free of cost entry, click on the purchase button. The top right side we can see one button as FOC goods. Click on this. Now system will ask us against which purchase bill you are getting this FOC product or FOC goods. Click on this bill button. Whatever purchases you have made, that will be displayed in this list. Here in the top you can see this is the recent purchase we have made. Bill reference number 239. This is a supplier bill number 5554. Date. Here we can see the supplier name and the total amount. Void this bill or against this bill, we received 10 packet of Nestle pouch of 5 rupees pack. Select this bill, and here also we have to select which item you received as FOC. By clicking this item button, whatever items we have already created or whatever items are there in the stock register, that will appear in this list. If the FOC item is here, we can select it. If you haven't created this item, by pressing the right button on this item button, we can create a new item here. Let us make a new item. Milk powder, Nestle pouch rupees 5. This is the item milk powder Nestle pouch rupees 5. Here also I am choosing the unit as numbers and the category, subcategory, child subcategory also I am choosing grocery. GST percentage is same as the milk powder. Now let us choose this item milk powder Nestle. Here we can see milk powder Nestle pouch rupees 5. This is the newly created item. Select it. Quantity, here we have to enter how much quantity you have received as FOC. Here I have received 10 pouch. Cost price of this product is actually 3. What is printed on the MRP is 5. After entering all this information by clicking this save button, FOC entry created successfully. Here we can see in the FOC register, only one item we have received as FOC from a supplier that we have entered earlier. By clicking this OK button, here we can see this is the another item we received as FOC. And here the information we can see is against which purchase invoice we received this item as invoice as FOC, that we can see in this FOC register. Whenever you make a FOC goods register entry, system will automatically update the stock register. And if you want to generate a report of FOC goods information during a specific period of time, by entering the date range and clicking this report button, you can see these are the items we have received as FOC from different suppliers. And by clicking this range button, during the specific period or date range we have entered, during that date range, how many goods we have received as FOC, that report we can generate by clicking this range button. Similarly, during a specific period of time, if you want to generate the FOC goods information month-wise or year-wise, by clicking the specific button, you can generate such a report. It means year-wise FOC goods report. Here we can see the product number milk powder. In the year 2024, total FOC quantity we received is 10 and the FOC value is 30. In this way, monthly as well as year-wise report also you can generate. And if you want to remove any of the FOC entry by placing the cursor on a specific FOC entry and by clicking this delete button, system will remove this FOC entry from the FOC register and automatically system will update the stock register also. So in this way, we can very easily manage FOC goods in Brainweaver's e-trade retail management system. So in this recent purchase, we have purchased Nestle milk powder 10 packet from Alapa Traders with the manufacturing and expiry date. To see batch-wise and lot-wise information of the product from the e-trade button by clicking this batch lot analysis, how many goods we have purchased or items we have purchased and what are the batch and lot information we have given, and against each lot how much quantity we have purchased and how much quantity we have utilized. Such information we can see in this batch lot product and utilization report. If you want to know, today is 19th December 2024. In the another 1 month period, it means 19 today's date to 19 December 2024 to 19 January 2024, another year 25. I want to know how many products are going to expire in the date range I have ended here. It means from today's date to 19 January 2025, I want to know how many products are going to expire. By entering the date range and clicking this expiry button, here we can see these are the 3 products that we purchased from the supplier Alpha Traders. Bill number is different bill number we can see, and all these product, the total quantity we purchased is 25 of each product, and at the moment we haven't utilized or we haven't used or sold any of the quantity from these 3 products. So it means manufacturing date is 10th January 2022 and the expiry date is 10th January 2025. All this product is going to expire on 10th January 2025. Such very informative report we can generate in Brainweaver's e-trade retail management system to manage products expiry period information. This report is very useful if you are dealing with food products, medical products, medicines. So before expiring a specific product, we can generate a report and also you can send it to the supplier for replacing the expired with another new lot. If you want to search expiry information regarding a specific product by clicking the search button, and here in this product number field, by pressing the enter key, system will display a list of all the products we have purchased. Here let us make milk powder Nestle 1 kg pack. This is a recent product we have purchased. By clicking get data, here we can see batch lot information is NST 878. This is the manufacturing date and this is the expiry date. The purchase quantity is 10 and at the moment quantity used or billed is 0 because we haven't sold any quantity from this lot. So let us make a sales entry from this lot. Later we will check how much quantity we used from this specific lot. Let us make a sales entry. Milk powder Nestle 1 kg pack. 1 packet I am selling. Here also you can see batch load information button is placed here. By clicking this batch load button, whenever you click the batch load button, system will check or system will display list of this milk powder Nestle 1 kg pack that we purchased from different suppliers or under different purchases with various lot number. Here system is displaying NST N78. This is the recent purchase we have made from Alpha Traders. We have to force the system we are selling this item from the specific lot. 700 is the selling price we have set. Now let us go to the batch and lot information again. Let us search for the specific product milk powder Nestle 1 kg pack. Here we can see against this specific batch lot we have purchased 10 quantity and just now we made a sales invoice from this specific lot. Here we can see the quantity used or billed is 1. So the remaining quantity is 9 pieces at the moment. So in this way we can very easily manage or effectively manage batch and load wise product history as well as expiry of all the products. If you click on this batch sales, system will display what are the sales we have generated from the specific batch and load that we place the cursor. By clicking this batch sales, system will display a sales history that we sold from this specific selected batch load. So this will be very easy to track what are the various bills we have created from a specific batch. Another feature we will discuss is this is regarding the creation of ledger accounts. To create a ledger account from the main menu by clicking this create general ledger, you can invoke the ledger creation form by entering a ledger name. System will ask us to choose a default account group from this list. So by default, system will allow you to create any type of ledger account based on the accounts group. If you want to restrict or prohibit the users from creating a ledger account of a specific group, you can control or manage it in Brainweaver's E-Trade Retail Management System. By default, system will allow you to create any type of ledger account. If you want to restrict the users to create ledger account relating to a specific accounts group, you can manage it. To do that, from the company setup, by clicking the main and setup company, here in the bottom side you can see setup ledger privileges. These are the account groups system will display you when you try to create a general ledger account. Here by default system will display or allow you to create all types of ledgers. If you want to restrict or deny the users to create a specific account group ledgers, here for example, I don't want to allow the user to create purchase account again, purchase return, sales return, or also cash account, because these accounts I have already created and kept as default. I don't want to create any further purchase account. So I'm restricting the users to create ledger account pertaining to the group cash in hand, purchase return, sales and sales return. I am disabling this account group. After making the changes, click on the save button. Changes saved successfully. Now let us go to again this account master to create a general ledger. Here example, I am trying to create a ledger account with an account group as purchase by clicking the enter key or pressing the enter key. Here we can see in the previous case this list was showing all the account groups. Here few account groups are vanished from this list because we have disabled few account groups in the company setup. Unless and until you enable that account group in the company setup, system will not allow the users to create a ledger account with an account group as purchase. Here we can see the purchase return, sales return and cash in hand is disabled or vanished or disappear from this list. Users are not able to create ledger account of the category that we have disabled in the company setup. So in this way, depend upon the users privileges or nature of the work he is handling, we can restrict them to create a specific type of ledger account. If you again want to enable it, again go to the company setup, click on the setup ledger privileges. By enabling this feature again, I have enabled all the account group in the company setup. After that, if you try to create ledger account, here you can see system will display all the account group in the list because we have enabled this feature in the account setup or company account setup. Here Brainweaver will allow you, if you want to take the barcode print of the product, there is 11 templates, default templates, depend upon the sticker size you normally use. Some companies will use in a row there will be 3 stickers, 2 sticker or 1 sticker or different dimension. There are 11 templates are inbuilt in Brainweaver's E-Trade retail management system. Which template is useful or which template you wish to print the barcode labels, you can choose that template, and 3 types of barcode print is available here. One is barcode print 1. It means each barcode sticker will contain MRP price as well as offer price. Barcode print 2 means a single price will be available there, either MRP of the product, otherwise offer price. The another template is QR code. Instead of the barcode, if you wish to generate QR code of the product, by selecting this QR code, system will automatically generate QR code from now onwards. If you want to insert user's picture, by selecting a specific user, we can upload or remove users' images or photographs in Brainweaver's retail management system. You can any moment you can remove, upload or download this user picture. Similarly, if you want to restart or set up voucher series in each financial year, by clicking this setup voucher, system will display a list of all the voucher types that Brainweaver use, like cash payment, cash receipt, purchase, sales, bank receipt, bank payment, purchase return, sales return, contra and JV. Each voucher type system will manage a unique sequential number. Here we can see, if you click on this sales, the starting number was 230300, and at the moment we have used the number up to 230681. The another number is 230682. Suppose this is the new financial year. If you again want to restart the invoice number as 1, we can click here and you can mention, for example, if I want to generate like this 240001, by clicking this activate button from now onwards, whenever you make the sales invoice, system will start the numbering as the number what we have entered here, and it will automatically increment one by one whenever you make a new sales invoice. So in the beginning of each financial year, if you want to restart or regenerate the voucher numbering system, with the help of this setup voucher series, you can manage it. So in the next session, we will discuss about other features. So thank you for watching this video.